The latest Oppo A53s 5G retails at just under 15K. Actually sounds like a terrific deal for its 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage with the new Dimensity 700 5G processor. Oppo is not exactly known for its value for money devices, since it's more offline oriented and less online centric like Xiaomi and Realme. That is why it makes the under 15K price a bit more attractive. The Oppo A53s is another 5G option in the most lucrative budget mid-range segment, and it sounds great, but what about the build quality in terms of drop impacts, structural strength of its plastic body, water resistance, and the scratch resistance of its undisclosed glass protection? As many of you are aware, lots of Realme and Oppo devices with pre-applied plastic protectors and no oleophobic coating have failed in a stress test due to poor quality glass protection. That's why our hopes are a bit less here for the Oppo A53s. Also, it seems to have no oleophobic coating as well when felt from the fingers. We will check that out and prove during the water test. Genuine Corning glass has always managed to handle the blade abuse without damage, as it should according to the Mohs scale of hardness, where glass is harder than steel. Yet there are many devices which have failed the blade on a consistent basis. Unfortunately, the Oppo A53s does not seem to have oleophobic coating. This is most probably the first time that a device with no oleophobic coating has handled the blade. The Oppo A53s 5G passes with no damage or marks. The Oppo A53s 5G has no official IP-rated water resistance as usual. The only devices which do have it are the Poco X3 and the new Redmi Note 10 series with official IP53 certification. Also, it does not have a rubber seal on a SIM tray, which could have helped in some water resistance. Most importantly, it is not IP67 or IP68 certified, so dunking it under water will most certainly cause it some awesome permanent damages and costly repair charges, since water damage is not covered under warranty and you need to buy separate insurance for that. In the oleophobic test, we are looking for the layer which will feel smooth when operating the touchscreen and will counter dirt and smudges. But as feared earlier, and as a cost-cutting measure, Oppo has once again done away with oleophobic coating, proved by the fact that water is sticking to the glass surface as a pool instead of rolling off as spherical drops. The low distorted audio is taking a few seconds more to recover back to normal, though it does recover completely, allowing us to move to the next round of light splashing. In this round, we have had devices like the Redmi Note 8 and 9 suffering from permanent blank screen issues, where even a little bit of light splashing caused the motherboard to get completely damaged, and unless you have bought insurance, you will need to spend a good amount at the service center to take care of the permanent liquid damage. Thankfully, the A53s 5G looks like it is able to handle light splashes pretty well, though the most common distorted low audio is still taking a little longer to recover. Apart from low loudness levels and distorted sound, non-IP-rated devices can also suffer from a multitude of temporary issues such as camera lens fogging, headphone icon issues, screen flicker, or temporary black screens. The A53s 5G seems to be suffering from no such issues, and things look great until now, confirming Oppo's good track record of never failing our water tests. Some devices may also suffer from serious display damage from heavy drenching where the display will slowly disintegrate into oblivion until completely damaged. Let's hope there is no such liquid damage on the A53s and it manages to maintain a good record. The audio does take more than a few seconds to completely recover, though besides that, the A53s 5G did not suffer from any temporary liquid damage issues as mentioned before. Somehow, Oppo has managed to fight liquid damage even without a rubber seal, as the Oppo A53s 5G passes a water test. So next up, in the drop test, we are going to drop the A53s from 4 different angles and 2 heights. First drop from pocket height, bottom edge facing down. No damages or scuff marks as yet, common on plastic phones. Next, second pocket height drop, top side facing down. Everything seems fine until now. Next, third pocket height drop, camera unit side facing down. The less camera bulge seems to be helping. No damage or shatter as yet. Next for the last drop from pocket height, screen side facing down. Good job by Oppo. The A53s 5G could easily survive drop impacts from pocket height. Next, 1.6 meters high drops, bottom edge facing down. Just a bit of scuff mark at the bottom corner, nothing serious. Next, second high drop, top edge facing down. Nothing at the glossy top edge from both pocket and high drops, which is awesome. Next, turning on video recording for some live footage from the 13 megapixel rear camera. Camera unit glass and backside facing down. No glass shatter or minute damages to the camera unit frame from both low and high drops. Next up, the last finale high drop you have been waiting for with live audio and video footage from the dot selfie camera. Seems like the 189.6 grams lightweight has also proved to be an advantage in terms of hard drop impact resistance. The Oppo A53s 5G passes the drop test with just a slight mark and no structural damage. Next up, Moving on to fun stuff with value. The bend test will give us a solid video proof about the real life structural build quality of the device you have paid for. Fortunately, the good news is that Oppo have done extremely well in these terms without much flex. So we are expecting the same from the A53s as well. The first bend pressure from the screen side has some flex degree, a bit more than expected, but the creaking noise heard at the trial bend is missing. The second bend from the glossy backside has a similar degree of bend as the first, just short of being uncomfortable like the recently tested Mi 11X Pro or Poco F3 and the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, and is definitely stronger than the failed Redmi Note 10. The creaking noise makes a comeback, and of course there is a bit of bend hangover from the third display side bend, which can be easily reversed and straightened, no issues. The Oppo A53s 5G did flex a bit and stayed bent for a while, but passes the bend test with no catastrophic structural damage.